Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you about the syllabus. What is syllabus and types of syllabus? There are four types of syllabus. There are four types of syllabus. Okay. Before I explain the types and before I explain the syllable, I want to explain you something. See here. A syllable is a single unbreakable sound of a spoken or written words. What is syllable? A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken or written words. Syllable usually contain a vowel and a accompanying consonants. A syllable is usually contained a vowel and also a consonant. Okay ma, there are four types of syllables. There are four types of the syllables. How we have to divide that? See, it depend on the word. It's depend on the word. The word which is divided into how many parts? The words which is divided into how many parts? Okay, that is called syllable. There are four types of syllables. Okay. Syllables are divided into four types. First, a single word means a word which have only one syllable. That is monosyllable. That is monosyllable. The word which have two syllables means the word which is divided into two that is called dissyllable. That is called dissyllable. And the third one is the word which is divided into three parts. See here, 1, 2, 3. That is trisyllable. And the word which is divided into four parts or more than four parts is called polysyllable. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is perambulate. This is four words. Classification. It is divided into 5. That is called polysyllable. So the syllables are mono, di, tri and poly. Mono, di, tri and poly. So see here. The sound system of English consists of vowels and consonants. Sound. Words are divided into sounds units called syllables. The words which is divided into sounds and units are called syllables. A syllable is a group of one or more sounds with the vowel sound. The syllable is a group of one or more than one with the vowel sound. As its important element. Words may contain one or more syllables. For example, the word book has one syllable. The word book has only one syllable. It means it is monosyllable. Okay, it is monosyllable. So, while the word teacher has two syllables, teacher, T-E-A-T and C-H-E-R, teacher, two syllable. Two syllable means dissyllable. Okay, has two syllables in it. The word photography has four syllables. See here, PHO4, TO2, GRA, PHY, photography. So it is divided into four parts. So it is called polysyllable. The number of vowels sounds in a word is equal to a number of syllables in it. The knowledge of syllables can help us improve our pronunciation. So, what the syllable help to improve? To improve our pronunciation. Okay, next. See here. Here is a small table with the examples. Life. This is one monosyllable. It means one syllable. Here is word with one syllable, word with two syllable, word with three syllables and word with four or more syllables. Okay, four or more syllables. The first one, life. Life is one. Engage. It is two. E-N-N-G-A-G-E. Engage. This is two syllable. Telephone. 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 This is trisyllable. Okay. Perambulate. 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 This is 4 syllables. It means polysyllable. So, as I told you, 1 means mono, 2 means di, 3 means tri, and 4 or more than 4 are called poly. So, here, the next one. Pen. 1 syllable. It means mono. Suffer. Suffer. It is 2 means die. Potato. Potato. This is trisyllable. And classification. 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 This is polysyllable. Okay, next. 2. This is 1 syllable. Teacher. As I told you before, teacher is 2 syllable. Teach or teacher. Next, bachelor. This is 3. Bachelor. Bachelor. Education. 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 Okay. Next. I hope you understand this. There are some more examples are there. Please read it very carefully and understand the syllable, how the syllable is divided into the parts. It means how the word is divided into the parts. I hope you understand this. Thank you.